Let's face it, the terms used to describe different types of factory-built homes can be downright confusing. Manufactured homes aren't mobile homes, and modular homes aren't mobile, and tiny houses aren't either. Fortunately, we're here with a quick guide to the diverse styles of prefab dwellings out there today, so you'll be extra confident when heading out in search of your new home. First, manufactured home refers to any factory-built house made after 1976 that is constructed entirely in a home building facility, then moved to a permanent location. Why after 1976, you may ask? That's the year the federal HUD code went into effect, and along with it, stringent national rules for the safety and durability of these homes. Any manufactured home built before 1976 is called a mobile home. And while some people still think mobile home is a catch-all term, it shouldn't be used for any newer model. Modular homes are also built in an off-site facility, but instead of being constructed in one piece, they're made in several pieces, then assembled on-site at the home's permanent location. This also means that modular homes are not required to follow the federal HUD code, but still must comply with local, state, and regional laws, much like a site-built home. And where do tiny homes fit in? It might come as a surprise, but if a tiny home has wheels, it's only required to meet the same safety standards as a recreational vehicle, or RV. An RV is a trailer or motorhome with basic amenities meant for on-the-road, leisurely travel, and isn't in the same family as a manufactured home. What's more, if a tiny home is built on a slab, it is often categorized as an accessory dwelling unit, not a site-built home, which leads to plenty of headaches around building codes and zoning regulations. Knowledge is power, and the more homebuyers know about the different types of prefab housing, the more we can all work together to dispel myths and understandings about the affordable, forward-thinking, factory-built housing of the future.